Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm going to be swatching all of my single eyeshadows. It was requested to me by a viewer that I do this after I did the single eyeshadow collection tag. And I do have quite a few single eyeshadows, so this could be a little bit of a longer video. However, what I'm going to be doing is just showing each single eyeshadow individually and then swatching them close up on my hand, telling you the shade name, the name of the brand, and kind of giving a description of the color. I'm probably not going to go into detail of the formula, but if you have any questions about the formula, please let me know down below and I will absolutely get back to you. I just want to try and minimize the length of the video wherever possible, so that's probably where I'm going to cut back a little bit. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into swatches. This is a mini size of Urban Decay Fireball, and this is a duochrome shimmer that goes from pink to peach. This is Colourpop Cosmetics Cutoffs. This is a duochrome shimmer that goes from orange to peach. This is Igneous Cosmetics Peach Moonstone, which is a metallic peach gold. This is limited edition. This is Igneous Cosmetics Quartz, which is a satin soft white. This is Igneous Cosmetics Pink Aventurine. This is a shimmer and it's pale pink. This is Igneous Cosmetics Marigold, which is a matte, bright mustard yellow. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Soul, a metallic duochrome that shifts from mustard to teal. This is Igneous Cosmetics Pear, which is a matte green-toned yellow. This is Igneous Cosmetics Evergreen, and this is an Evergreen matte. This is Colourpop Cosmetics Team Captain, which is a matte olive green with a slight brown undertone. This is Emme Cosmetics Black Forest, which is a satin blackened green. This is Emme Cosmetics Amaranthine, which is a metallic bright teal. This is Igneous Cosmetics Sea Breeze, which is a matte pastel aqua, and this is limited edition. This is Siren Noir Cosmetics Sparklemotion, which is a glitter multi-chrome that shifts to purple, blue, and teal. This brand no longer exists, and so this shade is discontinued. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Crystalline, which is a metallic duochrome blue, purple, teal. This has less glitter in it than Sparklemotion. It is also darker and has more blue. This is Colourpop Cosmetics Fault Line, which is a satin duochrome blue purple. This is Emme Cosmetics Purple Star, which is a metallic purple with a black base. This is Igneous Cosmetics African Amethyst, which is a very bright purple shimmer. This is Igneous Cosmetics Lilac Quartz, which is a pastel lilac shimmer. This is limited edition. This is the NYX Hot Singles eyeshadow in the shade Flirt, which is a matte pastel pink toned purple. This is Emme Cosmetics Cupcake Frosting, which is a matte cool toned mauve. This is Colourpop Cosmetics Prowlin. This is a metallic icy lavender with a yellow sheen. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Filigree, which is a metallic silver purple. This is Igneous Cosmetics Taaffeite, which is a shimmer and it's a cool toned taupe with a blue sheen. This is Colourpop Cosmetics 143, which is a matte, deeper magenta. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Fantasia, which is a matte, lighter, purple toned magenta. This is Emme Cosmetics Pink Lemonade, which is a metallic duochrome that shifts pink and gold. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Sunbeam. This is a glitter multi-chrome that shifts pink, orange, lime, gold, and turquoise. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Foiling. This is a glitter multi-chrome that shifts warm gold to orange to lime. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Carving. This is a glitter multi-chrome that shifts from cool brown to turquoise, indigo, violet, and pink. This is Clionadh Cosmetics Rosette. This is a jeweled multi-chrome that shifts indigo, violet, red, orange, and gold. So those are swatches of all of my single eyeshadows. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what some of your favorite shades were that I swatched, and also let me know what some of your favorite shades are in your own collection. I would love to know. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope to see you sometime soon, but you never know. That's why I don't have the posting schedule. If you'd like to stay up to date with me though, I do have an Instagram, a Patreon, and a Facebook page, which I'll leave down below, as well as all of the shades that I swatched and all of the makeup information I'm wearing on my face. You can also click the subscribe button if you'd want to, but you don't have to. That's okay. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, wherever you are, and I hope to see you soon. Bye everyone.